Hi there, I'm going to show you how to assemble our new point of sale, it's pretty simple. So what you want to do is you pick it up like so, and you're going to twist it like that, and then what we're going to do is we're going to bend it up, and we're going to take these two side panels, and you want to do these both at the same time, and we're going to slot them through like that and push it right up, and then looking on the back we've got these two nice little locking mechanisms. Push them down, and that just keeps the whole structure in place, and you can now see that we've got the messages right on the front all ready to go. Once you've done that, you can take the backing card. This one is our vegan backing card, and if you want to use it, best way of putting that in is just to slide that down like so, and then you're good to go. I'll just quickly rotate that around for you so you can see all the bits of it. The most important bit is twisting it before you slot it together. Okay, two locking mechanisms there. And we've got the message, use me instead of cling film there as well.